Well, take a look what showed up while I was out flying. TBM. Very cool. Got an air show that's going to take place this weekend, and this aircraft, I'm sure, is here in preparation for that air show. World War II era. Very nice. The Avenger is a carrier aircraft, hence the foldable wings. That is a 1900 horsepower Wright R2600 radial engine under the cowling. The design was introduced in 1942 by Grumman Aircraft as a torpedo bomber. The official designation of this aircraft is a TBM. The TB stands for torpedo bomber. The M tells me this aircraft was built under license by General Motors. This aircraft is part of the Commemorative Air Force Fleet based in Culpeper, Virginia. Poking out of the belly there is a .30 caliber machine gun. And the arresting hook for carrier operations. Hope you enjoyed that. Remember, life is a journey. Enjoy the ride. Thank you for watching.